Welcome to Shanghai, one of the world's most vibrant and cosmopolitan cities. As you explore this magnificent metropolis, let's delve into its rich history and the events that shaped it into the global powerhouse it is today. Shanghai's history dates back over 6,000 years, with early inhabitants living in what is now the western part of the city, surviving on fishing and hunting. During the Qin and Han dynasties, Shanghai began to develop as a fishing village, gradually strengthening its economic ties with inland cities. However, it was the aftermath of the First Opium War in 1840 that truly propelled Shanghai's growth. The city was open to foreign trade, and numerous countries established concessions, transforming it into a major port and cultural hub. The Bund, a famous waterfront area, was a key part of this development, with its iconic Western-style buildings reflecting the city's international influence. The Bund, stretching along the Huangpu River, is home to 52 historical buildings showcasing a mix of architectural styles such as Gothic, Baroque, and Art Deco. These structures, including the old HSBC building and the Asia building, serve as a testament to Shanghai's colonial past and its role as a global trading center. The city's skyline is also dominated by modern landmarks like the Oriental Pearl Tower, located in Pudong. This tower, with its distinctive spheres, offers breathtaking views of the city and symbolizes Shanghai's modernization. Standing at 468 meters tall, it features a unique multi-tube structure with spheres and a space capsule, completed in 1994. Another notable landmark is the Broadway Mansions, a historic building in Shanghai's Hongkou district, built between 1930 and 1934. It is known for its Art Deco style and unique eye-shaped design. This building reflects the city's early 20th century architectural trends and its blend of Eastern and Western influences. Shanghai's development is also marked by its impressive infrastructure, including major bridges like the Nanpu Bridge and Yangpu Bridge. The Nanpu Bridge, completed in 1991, is a cable-stayed bridge that connects the Huangpu district with Pudong New area, featuring a unique coiling dragon head design. The Yangpu Bridge, opened in October 1993, is one of the world's longest cable-stayed bridges, with a total length of 8,354 meters, connecting the Yangpu district in Puxi to the Pudong New area. Today, Shanghai is known for its vibrant colors and architectural diversity. From the gray and white of traditional lanes to the use of exotic red bricks and modern glass skyscrapers, the city's buildings reflect its rich cultural heritage and rapid modernization. As you explore Shanghai, you'll witness a blend of traditional and modern elements, from the historic Shikumen houses to the futuristic skyscrapers of Pudong. This blend of old and new, along with its strategic location and economic prowess, has cemented Shanghai's status as one of China's largest and most influential cities. As you continue your journey through Shanghai, remember that the city's history is woven into every aspect of its architecture and culture. From the colonial past of the Bund to the futuristic skyline of Pudong, each landmark tells a story of resilience, innovation, and transformation. Enjoy your exploration of this incredible city, and let its vibrant spirit leave a lasting impression on you.